Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Unplug everything and put the cable on a non-conductive surface. Using a magnifier and flashlight, scan both connectors, the jacket, and strain relief where most failures occur. Once you find a suspect spot, use a multimeter continuity test across conductors to confirm which wire or shield is open. Mark its location. Make sure to note whether this is a power, ground, or data pair because the repair approach differs for each. You now cut out the damaged section and prepare the conductors for reconnection. Carefully slice 1 to 2 centimeters of the outer jacket away. Avoid nicking inner wires. Trim the damaged span and strip 2 to 4 millimeters of insulation from each conductor and the drain/shield. Once stripped, lightly tin each exposed conductor with a low-temperature solder to prevent fraying, and slide appropriately sized heat shrink tubing onto each wire before any final joining. This makes the next steps clean and durable. You finish by soldering matching conductors, color to color, and re-establishing the shield or drain by twisting and soldering it to ground. Once soldered, slide single-layer heat shrink over each joint, then a larger outer heat shrink or braided sleeve for strain relief. Apply gentle heat until snug. Make sure to reinforce the connector ends with a bit of hot glue if needed. Finally, test continuity, charging, and data transfer. If intermittent issues persist, wiggle test while measuring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.